In this video, I'll show you how to delete your search history on the YouTube app. There's multiple ways you can do it, and depending on your device, sometimes you don't have all the different options. So I'll show you different ways, and hopefully one of them will work for you. So one of the easiest one is to simply tap on the magnifying glass, on the top of the YouTube app here, and then you'll see your search history, the last search you made. On some apps, all you have to do is to keep press on one of these options you want to delete. Let's say you just want to delete one thing, and then swipe to the left side. In my case, it doesn't work, but I know that on some phones and tablet, this is a way to do it. Then another way you can try is simply go over here where is your profile, tap on it, top right corner, then go in settings. Then in the settings, you should see history and privacy. Tap on this. And from this, you should see over here, clear search history. Tap on this. It will just ask you to confirm and tap clear search history. And you'll get a message, search history cleared. So now if we go back like this, tap the magnifying glass, I won't see anything I searched in the past. Now, if any of these options are not present on your device, I also know that there's another way you can do this. I don't have it on my device, but this is how you should do it. Press on your profile again here, and instead of having settings, maybe you'll have an option that is saying manage all history. If you don't see it here, press settings, and then here you should have manage all history. Tap on this selection. You should see everything that you watched and search in a list, and then it will give you three different choices. That is all time, which means that you'll delete everything, every single search you did, or you have other choices, I don't remember which one, but go ahead and select all time if you want to delete everything, and then your search history will be gone forever. So I hope this was useful. Hopefully one of these three solutions worked, but if you have other ones, please write them in the comments down below. I don't know all of them, and I'm sure somebody will be very grateful to read this in case they don't want other people to know what they searched. So thanks, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.